You guys, before we get the video started, I want to thank Surfshark VPN for sponsoring this video. You guys might be asking, what is Surfshark VPN? Well, Surfshark VPN is an online privacy protection tool that encrypts your personal data. So what that pretty much means is that it protects you from emails, passwords, credit cards. Credit cards are very important, especially when you're connecting to public Wi-Fi. You have to protect your stuff. When I'm traveling back and forth from Canada to US, I don't feel too safe when I'm connecting to public Wi-Fi in the airport because thousands of people are using that same Wi-Fi, and there's obviously hackers. They're gonna steal your email, passwords, and nudes. So I don't want that. No, I'm kidding, there's no nudes. They have this other tool that's very it's amazing. It's just amazing. So when I go into Canada, I don't get US Netflix, and there's shows that I watch in US Netflix that we don't get in Canada. So what do? They have this tool that allows you to change the location of where you are at. So when I'm in Canada, I go here, I change my location to US, and there you go, you guys. I get Parks and Recreation. That is the show I watch here in US. The other thing that I use a lot is YouTube TV. We don't have YouTube TV in Canada, so when I go here, it does not load. It just doesn't load. So what do? I go into US, and there you go, you guys. YouTube TV loads up and it works. And you guys thought I was done there? No, Surfshark VPN is one of the only companies that allows you to connect to unlimited amount of devices. If you have 20 iPhones, 20 iPads, 30 laptops, you could connect every single one of them on Surfshark. But you guys thought I was done there? No, they have a 30-day money back guaranteed, so there's absolutely no risk. So what I'm going to do is leave the link in my description, use promo code VARTANFRESH and get 85% discount and 3 months free. Let's go back into the phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to another mukbang with me, Bartan Fresh. You guys, today I've got Teddysredtacos. It's a popular taco truck, taco spot here in LA. They serve birria tacos. Birria. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Some of you guys let me know in the comments if I'm pronouncing it right. Birria tacos. But I've got some incredible things here for you guys. I've got tacos over here. I've also got 2 of the same plates that come, I think, with tostadas, mulitas, and this is like another taco but a bigger version that has cheese in it. I've also got the Consome over here, which is the broth. Yeah, you guys, I'm ready to smash this. I hope you guys are all ready. Smash the like button if you guys do enjoy this video. Subscribe if you're new, and let's get all of this food, tacos in my belly right now. Tacos first. Lime and dip it in the Consome. Yes, queen. Oh my god, this is gonna be heavenly. Whoa! I love the tortilla because it's kind of like grilled on the grill. It's like a deep fried kind of tortilla. What? Oh my god. This is really, really good. I love that broth, the Consome. So if you guys don't know what birria is pretty much a meat stew traditionally made with goat, but you could also make it with beef. The taco part, I don't know if it's authentic. I think maybe it's a Southern California thing, but the birria alone, this is the birria, this stuff inside. That's birria, this stuff inside. Oh my god. My SD card got full, so I had to delete some stuff. If you guys notice a little cutoff. So I don't know what this is for. They gave me this. I don't know how much I'm supposed to eat this. Maybe just break it up and dip it. I know, I'm getting annoying. I keep showing you guys the tacos, but it's just delicious. I don't know if you're supposed to eat it like that. No, there's no way. This is unreal. Hold on. It's spicy. Wow, I'm such a wussy. Can't believe I'm complaining about the spice. That's a good salsa. That's legit. Wow, the cheese. I definitely taste the cheese on this. Hot. It's spicy and the weather's hot. I brought my own Diet Coke. I'm glad I did. These are all pretty much the same thing. Just in a different form. Wow. Oh, so good.
How good?
Very good.
Roll my window down there. I like this. This is like a Mexican pizza. Kind of like that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No. That salsa is so good. There's a nice flavor to it. So this place, I find it I like better than the other place I tried a while back. I don't know where the spicy is coming from. You know, before I had the salsa, I had one of those and it was like spicy, like what? And then the taco wasn't spicy. So I'm like, where did that spicy come from? I went to their other location in Slauson Avenue, on Slauson Avenue, jammed. When I say jammed, it was packed. So when I went there, I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna be waiting this line. So busy, there's too many people around. I'm not gonna feel comfortable. So I decided I'm gonna go to the Echo Park location. I found another location. It was actually closer to me. I don't know why I went to the original, actually because it was original location. I was like, it's the original, let me go there. I knew I was running a little late. I usually go a little earlier to these spots because I know that it's gonna be packed, especially Sunday. So they put these on the grill. They put these on the grill. They put like the oil on it and then they fry it. And yeah, that's pretty much, that's why it's so good. Look at that drip. That's all flavor. Literally all flavor. Their salsa is like, it's good. You guys know I make salsa. That's good broth. So Consome is broth. It's pretty much what the meat cooks in. It's not technically a broth, but it is a broth.
What?
But it's not a, it's like the mother of all broths, Consome. That was unreal. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was really good. It's like pretty much chips. This is chips. They give this to you as chips. You know, just dip it in or dip it in the Consome. Yeah. I've seen a bunch of YouTube videos on this and everyone's like, oh wow, so good. And I'm like, is it that good? It's fire. If you guys are in this area or in LA, you guys should go check out Teddysredtacos. It's fire. But I hope you guys all enjoy this. I hit the spot. I feel amazing. It's spicy and I'm hot. I'm gonna turn on the AC right now. The reason why I had to turn off the truck. There's no way I could have the AC on because the truck can't stay on. My car is very loud. It's a truck. So you guys won't hear anything. I guarantee you guys will not hear anything. It's on right now. So it'll be annoying, especially with the AC on. Right now I have the AC off. With the AC on, no way, no chance you guys would ever be able to hear anything. But I hope you guys all enjoy this. You guys made it to the end. I love you guys and we'll see you guys in a bit. Stay safe, be well. We'll catch you guys on to the next one.